Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Shopify account. From the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. Click on the Shopify App Store link. In the search bar, type Mailchimp and hit enter. Find the Mailchimp for Shopify app in the search results. Click on the app to view its details. Click the Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to your Shopify store. Confirm the installation by clicking on the Install Unlisted App option. Once installed, open the Mailchimp for Shopify app. You'll be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp login details and click Login. Authorize the connection by clicking on the Allow button. Wait for Mailchimp to sync with your Shopify store. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation message in the app. You can now customize your email marketing settings. Go to the settings to configure audience preferences. Choose the audience you want to sync with your Shopify store. Select the email list to use for your campaigns. You can now create and design your email campaigns in Mailchimp. Monitor your campaign performance through Mailchimp's analytics tools. You are now successfully connected and ready to start marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.